Hi there, welcome back to the school garden, where there's an exciting kind of quick update from the school potato competition, where you can see that our seed potatoes have started to shoot through. This was from an earlier bag that was done, but I did notice in the bags that we did just recently on our video, even there we can see the shoots, hello mate, starting to come through, which is great. But we're getting some cold nights, some clear nights with the temperature going down, well, even below freezing sometimes. Certainly if it goes down below 3 or 4 degrees, there's a danger that these fresh shoots could get frosted and damaged by those cold temperatures. So we are just going to put some compost on top of those. This is this process that I've mentioned to you before, if you were paying attention, called earthing up. So we just, like the farmers would, we put some soil around those new shoots, and we're going to continue doing this on those shoots that we've just covered. They'll come through here in a week or two's time. We'll put some more compost on top until the layer of compost, which is currently down at the bottom there, comes up to about 2/3 of the way up the bag. So we've got quite a bit more compost to put on top of here yet, covering over and protecting those shoots as we go. And then those portions of buried stem that will be beneath the compost eventually, that is where we will get our shoots, our side shoots with the baby potatoes on. So this is not just about protecting from frost. That's the first reason we're doing it, but the second reason is that we need to bury some of the stem of the potato to provide the right environment for those little baby potatoes to swell up and stay nice and clean. We don't want green potatoes because they're no good for eating, and if they're exposed to the sunlight, those potatoes will go green. So there's your update, and we'll keep you posted in a few weeks' time. Exciting times, eh?